We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting or related words in English. How do you go about pronouncing it? In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, this is normally said as number. You do want to stress on the first syllable, on the num syllable. Number. In American English, however, it is usually said as number. Number in American English versus number in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.